We have our website built in Next.js. If I'm switching from one page to another, you can see here we don't have any loader yet. You can see here, it's just a white blank page. Open your favorite code editor, open your terminal, and install one package npm install Lucid React. Lucid React is just an icon library which will give us loader. Now I already have installed this. Now let me show you. And the app router, create a new file, loading, not loader. You should write this name, loading.tsxrjsx if you are using JavaScript. Now let me create React function, loading, remove this, and import loader from Lucid React. Let me style this with tailwind, flex, justify, center, item center, manage, screen. I write this tailwind CSS just to keep the loader on the center of the screen. Here, loader, size, the size will be 150. And you can give color to this. I will paste one color here from my clipboard. Okay, now let me show you this. You can see here the loader, but the loader is not rotating. You can see here if I'm switching from one page to another, the loader is showing, but it's not rotating. Now here we have one tailwind class we can add. Class name, animate, spin. Here, animate spin. You can see here it will rotate 360 degree and infinite. Now let me show you the magic again. Wow, here you can see an amazing loader here. You can see. I hope you like this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for more upcoming web development videos. Thank you.